In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable SSL in Hostinger step by step. If you've just launched your website or you're seeing that not secure warning in the browser, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, your website will have a secure HTTPS connection up and running. SSL is essential because it protects your visitors' data, improves trust, and even helps with SEO rankings on Google. So this is something every website owner should enable immediately. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look for the Websites section. Click on Websites to see the list of domains connected to your hosting account. Find the website where you want to enable SSL and then click on Dashboard right next to that specific website. This will take you into the management area for that domain. Now that you're inside your website dashboard, look at the menu options available. You want to find the Security section. Click on Security and then select SSL from the drop-down options. This is where Hostinger manages your SSL certificates. Inside the SSL section, you'll see the status of your domain. If SSL is not yet active, you'll see an option that says Install SSL next to your domain name. Go ahead and click on Install SSL. Hostinger provides a free SSL certificate with most hosting plans, so you don't need to purchase anything extra in most cases. After clicking Install SSL, the system will begin processing your request. This usually takes a few minutes. During this time, Hostinger is generating and assigning the SSL certificate to your domain. You don't need to refresh repeatedly, but you can check back after a couple of minutes to see the updated status. Once the installation is complete, you should see the SSL status change to active. That's how you know the certificate has been successfully installed. If it already shows active, like in my case, that means SSL is already enabled for your domain and you're good to go. Now, there's one more important thing to confirm. Open your website in a new browser tab and check the URL at the top. Make sure it starts with HTTPS instead of HTTP. You should also see a small padlock icon next to your domain name in the address bar. That padlock confirms your website is secure. If your website doesn't automatically redirect from HTTP to HTTPS, you may need to enable Force HTTPS inside Hostinger settings. In many cases, this option is available within the SSL section or under Advanced Website Settings. Turning this on ensures that all visitors are automatically redirected to the secure version of your site. And that's it. You've successfully enabled SSL in Hostinger. Your website is now secured, your visitors' data is protected, and your site looks more trustworthy to both users and search engines. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step hosting and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.